Hey YouTube, this is just going to be a quick video on things that I didn't know existed. And a friend of mine had on her garage door. So I just had a regular garage door like this. It's kind of what I wanted, so somebody could just look in or whatever, but it looks kind of plain. But I didn't even know these existed, and I was commenting on her garage door. I was like, I really like that because it looks like you could open the doors this way, you know. And she's like, oh, they're just magnetic. I'm like, what? So they're literally just magnetic. And you buy them in a pack, you know, as much for one door. And if you have two doors, you do the other one. But you just put them wherever you want. Kind of like, I'm kind of OCD with some things, but looks about where I had it, maybe. There you go. And just makes it look cooler. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for these. I think they're great because I've just had plain white all the time. I just think that looks cooler and dresses up your garage door. So I don't remember the name of them off the top of my head, but it will be in the description. Also the link where you can buy them. And if you guys have any questions about this or anything like that, hit me up on YouTube. Again, those are magnetic as well. All those are magnetic. They go right on simply. Just stick it to it. I mean, obviously your door has to be metal. It won't work on a wooden door, but if your garage door is metal, it will work. And like I said, if you have any questions or anything, just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, YouTube.